Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got all of my sales for the last 2 days on Poshmark. I'm going to let you know how much I made on each item and what the item is. All right, so my first item that I sold, and I'm going to actually write down everything on this board and add it up right on and put it on the camera for you. So this is a flowing collection dress barn women 3X sparkly top. I sold it. I'm going to give you all my earnings number, not what it sold for, but how much I'm actually pocketing. So I spent 50 cents at the Goodwill outlet on that. $4.55 is what I earned. So I made $4.05 on this one. All right, and then my next one is a pair of shoes. It's a memory foam sport pair of shoes. They look just like this. They sold and I earned $7.05 on these. They're Skechers pair. And so those came out of a bulk box and I spent $4 on that one. So $7.05 minus 4, $3.05. And then I have my next item is a flowy Leo Rossi. This is brand new. It came out of a bulk box, so I believe I spent about $2 on it. It has its tag still. It's a size extra large. $16.10 is what I made on that. Minus my $2 is $14.10. And then my next one is a Christopher and Banks black sweater with like a white kind of cardigan look underneath it. That I sold for, I earned $1.55, but that came from a Goodwill pile. So take the 50 cents off from Goodwill outlet and I made $1.05. These I got for 19 cents a piece. And so I sold it and made $2.05. So we'll just take 20 cents off. So $2.05 minus 20 cents, $1.75. I do the math right there. Okay. And then my next item is a set of scrubs. It's actually a shirt and top in teal and a shirt and top in green. I sold those for, I sold them for 10. I earned $7.05. Those both came from the Goodwill outlet, 50 cents a piece. So we'll take $1 off for each one, each set. So I made $6.05 on that. And then let's see, I sold these. Okay, let me unbury them. I have this stack of clothes here and I'll tell you what the stack of clothes is there for here in a minute. I know I dropped one of these, so I'll tell you why that's there. So here's a set of boots that I sold. Really cute set of boots. I'm having a hard time dropping things today. Those I paid $5 or $4 for out of a bulk box. They sold, my earnings were $30.50. And so that is $26.05. Oh, $26.50. Sorry, take the $4 off. $26.50 for those. And then the shoes. The next set is shoes. A pair of Chukka boots. Sold really nice. Those are very cute. Men's Chukka boots. Those were $4 as well out of a bulk box. And so I earned $18.50, so $14.50 is what I earned off that one. And then I've got this hat. It's a really cute little hat with American Eagle hat. That was a 50-cent Goodwill outlet buy. My earnings were $4.55, so $4.05 is my actual in pocket after I pay myself back. Then I had a bundle of 2 items. Bundles are really good to do on Poshmark. This is a red Tommy Hilfiger shirt and then a Lucky Brand green button-up shirt. Both of those I got at the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents a piece, so that's $1 in money. My earnings were $4.55, and so I made $3.55 on that. Let me see. Got to keep clicking along on my list here so I can tell you what I earned. I lost my spot. There it is. All right. And then I have my, this is a pair of Goodfellow skinny chino pants. They're pink. They're brand new with tags. Those came out of a bulk box for $1, and then $2.55 is what I earned, so only $1.55 on that one, but they were on there for a long time, so I was glad to get them off my store, and that's one less thing to share. I bought these for 50 cents a piece. They're a little pair of magnetic Minnie Mouse earrings. Those I earned $2.05, and they were 50 cents a piece, so $1.55 is what I earned on those, and I have a bunch of them still on there. Those are really cute. I have Mickey Mouse ones too. And then I've got a pair of pink shoes. These are size 6 stiletto heeled pump sandals, and I made these came out of a bulk box, and I spent about $2 on these. I only earned $1.55, so I actually lost money on that one, so negative 45 cents. So, but it gets it off my store, and I do make up the $1.55. So even though it was negative, I still made up some money. These are really cute. Should I tell the story about the pink piggy earrings? So my daughter is kind of a growing entrepreneur. So she said, if I make these pink piggy earrings, will you sell them on your Poshmark store? And I said, absolutely. So she made them and earned, so they were free because we already had the beads. She earned $2.05 on them. So she is learning how to earn money as well. So that's her earnings. And then I've got this cute hat, men's rolled straw fedora hat. I earned $4.55. That was a $2 per each hat. So $2.55 is what I actually earned after I pay myself back. And then there's a huge bundle, and I'm going to show you everything in the bundle and try to add up on the fly what's in here, because I'm just doing this. I don't do any numbers ahead of time when I do these videos. I want to be honest. So this was about $1 for this hat, $1 for this, and then this was $1 as well. So I earned $3 for this bundle. Let me see if I'm getting everything. The shoes were $2. The shoes are $2. Okay, so $1, we're at $2, $4. We'll add this. This is a Goodwill outlet, $4.50. These were 50 cents a piece, so $5.50. And I believe that's everything. Oh, and then they bought one of my 5 shirt boxes. A lot of times I'll do buy 5 shirts at once and you get a good deal. And so she specifically said she wanted solids. She doesn't like patterns unless it's a floral pattern. And so I'm actually going to come around front because one of the bags dropped. And I offer a free gift. So a free gift can be anything from one of my fun bling hats to a wallet to something, that I think is really fun to put in a lady's thing. So this was my free gift in this box, but sometimes there are other things. I gave her this floral shirt, and all she did was pick the size. So everything that I'm giving her, she picked an extra large size, is an extra large. So it's actually a Poshmark mystery box that I offer. And so she said solids, unless it's floral, and extra large. So all these. Here's a Hershey's t-shirt, and it's all women's top. This is a really cute kind of flowy black tank top. This is, it's a peasant style shirt. So it's a long sleeve and it's got the peasant styles, solid blue. And then this is a really fun pink shirt that I gave her as well. So those were ones per her specifications that she wanted out of the mystery box that she bought. So she bought all of that. And with buying all of that, all of those bundled things, so what was I at? Kind of about $8. And then those are all Goodwill outlet buys. So that's probably an additional $2.50, let's say $3 just to be a little bit. So now we're at $11. My earnings was $44 on that one. So on all of those things that you just saw, $33. And look at all the items that I got off of my Posh store that I no longer have to click the button and share. So that's a biggie as well. And then we sold a red lacy robe, and it's packaged super nice with, and I've got a bunch of those on there, so check that out. We spent, how much a piece for those? $1, $3? $3.25 on those, and $11.30 is what I spent on those. So let me see, $11.30. $8. We'll just put $8. Thanks, I can't do math on the fly too fast. So $8 for that. Every time I sell that, that's what I get. Then I have another bundle. Okay, so we sold 6 items in this one. So let me show you each one of the items we sold in this bundle. A pair of women's tiger swimsuit bottoms. It is February and I'm selling swimsuits. Here's a women's swimsuit top. Here is a tunic shirt, an orange one. Here is a Free People shoulder tote bag. And then there's, okay, 2 more shirts. Here is a sleeveless button-up Lacoste shirt and a pair of blinged out jeans. So I sold all of those, let me see, 50, $1, $1.50, $2, $3 is my total. $3 is my total invested. My earnings was $16, so I made 13 bucks on that bundle. I usually make my best deals on the bundles, and usually the customer it's the best deal as well because they get discounted shipping because they bundle it all together. All right, and then let's keep going. I've got a swimsuit top. I'm almost done. I think I got 2 more things. This is a crocheted high neck bikini top. This came out of a bulk box. I think it was $1 I spent on this. I earned $2.05, so $1.05 is all I got on that. And then the last thing I have here for my 2-day items is a pair of jeans, which is a Goodwill outlet. And so it was only 50 cents for them. $4.55 is what I earned on that. So $4.55, so $4.05. Is where I'm at with that. So I'm going to go ahead and add up these numbers and then get them to you. Okay, so I've got all my numbers added up, and for 2 days of selling on Poshmark this time, $143.95 is what I made in my earnings. That's not how much everything sold for, but how much I actually earned, and I took off all the amounts that I actually paid for. So that's total profit. On Poshmark, it's 20 separate sales. I sold more than 20 items because a couple of them had large bundles, 7 items, 5 items, 8 items in some of them. So I actually sold more than 20 items, but I'm only going to have to package 20 separate packages because I have 20 customers. So that's not too shabby, $143 in 2 days. So you can definitely make money on Poshmark. Keep sharing away. And then if you have any questions or comments, please like this video, set up your notifications if you're not, become a subscriber if you're not. I would love to be able to share all the stuff that I sell all the time for you. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your name in lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.